This is Kerwin, and I'm in New York in Flushing Meadows, or Flushing, New York, right next to LaGuardia Airport at the plane station. Awesome. Hello, Seattle ladies. This is Kerwin. I'm in Flushing, New York, and Flushing is one of the neighborhoods in Queens. And as much as I've lived in New York for so many years, I've not really been to Flushing much. So today, since I'm here, I'm going to do a little walk around Flushing. Flushing is one of the ethnic neighborhoods. There's Chinese, predominantly Chinese neighborhoods. No, there's no snow. It's actually very warm. It's like maybe 50 degrees. So as you can see, lots of the stores are Chinese writings, Chinese letterings. This is Kerwin. I am a travel blogger. I'm in New York visiting some friends, and I'm in Flushing. So I thought I'd do a little scope from Flushing. It's actually a very cool neighborhood. And the airport, Flushing Airport, LaGuardia Airport, is actually just very close to here. So you'll probably see some planes just passing by in a moment. So if you like what you're seeing so far, please give me some hearts. There's a plane going. Just missed it. Yeah, but as much as I've lived in New York for a little bit, I just never had a chance to check out Flushing. There we go. And it was raining earlier. It's raining on and off all day. So I do have my trusty umbrella somewhere. And just walking around Flushing. So to get to Flushing, you take the number 7 train from Manhattan. And the number 7 train. Hey David, thank you for joining. I'm here in Flushing, New York, which is one of the suburbs in Queens. It's an ethnic suburb, a Chinese suburb. I don't know the history of Flushing as to why the Chinese settled here when they came to Queens, but it's quite a big population here. And you take the number 7 train to the very last stop, which is Main Street. And Main Street and Roosevelt Avenue. And here I'm walking down Main Street. And this is Northern Boulevard here. And that sound you hear is an airplane passing by. Can't see it, it's off to the left of us. And that's because we are right next to LaGuardia Airport. Thank you for those hearts, I appreciate those. So where is everyone from today? This is Northern Boulevard. This is actually a pretty old community. And just on the other side of that bridge is the stadium, Shea Stadium. Is on the other side of the bridge. Matter of fact, let me see if I can walk that way. Hey Rabulian, thank you for joining. Where are you from? This is Kerwin from PassRider.com and CruisingOnTrue.com. And today I am walking through Flushing, New York, a Chinese immigrant neighborhood, predominantly in Queens, New York. Need some sneakers? Just walking around a little bit. I'm going to try to head into Manhattan in a little bit. Hopefully, I'll get to show you some of the lights. Not much to see on this street at all. So that's it. That's LaGuardia Airport right over there. And hopefully, we'll see an airplane. Well, the airplanes are flying right overhead. Can you see it? But it's very cloudy today, very overcast skies. So if you live in this neighborhood, you'll be getting all this noise. So how is everyone doing and where's everyone from today? Okay, you guys are too silent. Where's everyone from? Who do we have online? Let's see. So we've got Ali K, Bursan. The cool thing about this neighborhood is that you can get all kinds of foods. Cloudy and a cold day it seems. Yes, it is. It's not too cold. Cloudy, yes, not too cold. There's a Ramada with the Chinese dragons guarding it. I think it's about 50, 55 degrees maybe. But definitely warm for this time of the year. Unseasonably warm as we walk through Flushing, New York. There are guys in the shorts. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Hi Marina, this is Kerwin. I am in Flushing, New York. Just giving you guys a tour of this ethnic neighborhood. Oops. He is hot with short. Yeah, well, you know, sometimes some people are just weird. It's definitely not shorts weather, but he wants to wear shorts. I mean, most everyone is in a jacket. But if you guys can, if you like the broadcast, please give me some hearts. And also, if you follow me, you'll be able to see my broadcast. Swipe left or right on Android. Sorry, left or right iOS. There's the airplane again, which I don't know where it is. Yeah, swipe up and down on Android, left or right on iOS. Click on broadcaster. That will be me. And then click on the follow. This way, whenever I have broadcasts going, you'll be able to see them as well. And this is kind of like, this one of the neighbors that when I live, maybe we'll see with you. I don't think we'll see those. It's too cold. There's a Sheraton right there. Oh, there's a tea house. And Roosevelt Avenue, that's the main street right down there. Up. That's my turn. Well, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Remember to follow and give some hearts. And this is Kerwin, the cruisingr2.com and passrider.com. And I'm here in, where am I? I'm here in Flushing, New York. You guys have a good day. Talk to you all soon.